Hi! I guess this is my first vlog. I just see everyone else doing them and they're so hilarious, so I figured I would do one, because I'm so funny. Today, my friend bought a guy. There was an auction at school and you're allowed to buy kids. Take your books and walk around and they follow you and they carry your books all day. My friend lost it. She had the biggest crush on this guy and she's basically smiling the whole day. I wish I would have got a picture of them, but I don't have like any classes with her, and he left at the end of the day and that's the only class I have with her. Go figure. Okay, let's see what else to talk about. It's not boring. It's in the drawer. Lighters. Now these are really, I have a Bic lighter. It's really good for lighting things. What you do is you take your finger, preferably your thumb, and you, oh, that's hard. And you take it and you press it down and then you press this button. It's kind of an exercise because it's kind of hard. Oh, that's awesome. You don't want to blow it out because I heard it's bad. Just a theory. Oh, bingo. Bingo splotcher. This is good. I have a Unami bingo. And it's pink. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it smells good actually. Very good for the elders, but you know what, I like doing it a little bit too. It's my guilty pleasure. Rainbow Room, Thursday nights. Woo! Stethoscope. I had a red one of these. I lost it when I was younger. It hurts your ears. You know, and who wants it in your ears when it's in everyone else's ears too? So, it's sort of like an iPod, only, ow, that hurts. I'm so bored, I'm so bored, I'm so bored. Should it be my friend if I look like this? I'm an Altoid promoter. Everyone loves a good Altoid every once in a while. Peppermint. My eye drops. I've been looking for these. See, this is a good video. It's a ruler that I got at Hershey Park. Chocolate World. The one in the middle was my favorite. Just kidding, I never really met them. I love chocolate. That's a keeper. I would keep this in the drawer. Batteries! You know what, I think these are old. Probably because they're not in a pack. They're just sort of laying there. I don't know. And try those later. There's a cloth. Oh, you know what I bet this is? My, for my glasses. Because I have contacts in right now. But, I bet you this is for my glasses because I lost one. Or 3. Let me tell you a little secret about my mother. At the most random time, she will grab her purse and just open it, unzip it, and go through stuff, look at papers, and then put it back. And she does the same thing when she's bored too. Like when she's at home, she'll open this drawer. She'll open this drawer and go through stuff and put it back. Oh God, I'm getting like my mother. Pills. Pills are good. Let's see. Phentermine. 1 refill before January 4th. A little late on that one, Mom. She's a procrastinator. Take 1 tablet every day. See what these puppies look like. Oh, it's open already. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! That smells... That doesn't smell good. It's my mom's cell phone. Hold on, guys. What's up? Oh my god, it was good. Hey Jen, I'm making a video. Say something funny.
I can't just say something funny randomly.
No, no, you have to say something funny now because I told you. Just tell a joke.
Well, I don't have a dog, so? Well, I don't have a dog, so? Guess I'd eat my own. They're stupid.
You're stupid. Come on, hot shot.
Doesn't have mushrooms in it?
Does it have mushrooms in it? Yeah. So, I'm down here totally bored. That's why I'm making a video and I'm going to post it on the internet and you're going to be on it.
Woo! Goodbye. Goodbye.